Hi there, this video's got live, super cool motor control plane, chopper and column, video UK 2021. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up. Time at the moment in digital at the moment is, wow, 14:40 PM in digital. Analog, that is 2:40 PM in the afternoon. You've got this motor control plane flying around at the moment, around chopper and column. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Tiff asked me to keep my camera on it, guys. Sorry about that. The weather today, you can see it's quite beautiful and sunny. A bit of cloud. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. The force be with you always. Quite massive up the needs and the money. That means if you have to watch them. Bye everyone.